Welcome once again to another wonderful video. This video is actually for educational purpose. This video is not for any scam or anything dubious. This is just for educational purpose, especially for those of you that try to you try to test out some certain products online, and most times when you use your actual credit card, you get charged unnecessarily. So this platform will help you to generate credit card which you can use to test out some certain product online. And when if it's actually good for you, if you like the product, then you can go ahead and use your credit card to pay for it. So that is the main purpose of this video, is to show you platform where you can generate unlimited credit cards. So this credit card can be used for any online testing you want to do on any platform, because I have had cases of people who use their actual credit cards to test out a product, and at the end of the day they are being charged, which is not part of the agreement on that product they actually tested. So but they are being charged. So this platform is going to help you to generate credit card which you can use to test out this product even before you go ahead and put in your own personal banking credit card. So if you are if you're new on this platform, you're welcome. This is Money Tips Online. Just go ahead and subscribe to this platform, like and share. You can also comment if this video is what you want to see. If you like this video, you can just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. More and more updates are still coming. More videos are coming from affiliate marketing, CPO marketing, on AI, on hacks, surveys, crypto trading. Every different aspect you can think of, will be bringing you different updates. So just stay glued to this channel. Join the moving community. The link is at the bottom of this video, at the description. Just go there and click on it, join the community, stay up to date. If you have a question, go ahead and ask questions in the community. There will always be people that will attend to you. So once again, you're welcome. This will be a very short video. It's going to be a very short video. So so this is the platform. This is the platform. I'm still going to tell you the name of the platform, but for now, let me start by showing you around the platform. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the platform. So as you can see, the first option you get is to generate under basic, is to generate basic credit card. So all you need to do, as you can see, generate random test credit cards numbers for testing. Can you see it? They boldly said it, for testing. So what you need to do is to select under basic. Just leave it in basic. So network, you can decide what kind of credit card do you want. Do you want American Express? Do you want Discover? Do you want Dina Club International? Do you want MasterCard? Do you want Metro, Union Pay, Visa? So you just have to decide on which particular one do you want. Let's say, for instance, now let's say I want to go for MasterCard. So all I need to do is to select MasterCard. Can you see? So MasterCard is now the chosen network over there. So now let's go for format. It's asking me to select format. So what do? I want a card. I want a card, not any other thing. So leave it in what? In card. So the date is asking you to generate date. So leave the date the way it is. Leave the date the way it is. Then go to expiration month. So now let me go with, for the expiration month, let's go with November. Then expiration year, let's go with in the next let's say in 2028. So you can decide whatever year you wish. So but I'm going with 2028. So so for the CVV, you can see, just leave that place blank. It's going to generate a CCV for you automatically. So the quantity is 10. That is the least you can generate at any point in time. So just leave it in 10. So when you're done with all this, if you fill up all this, all you need to do is to click on generate. Just click on generate. So you leave it to generate the credit card for you. So as you can see, the credit card has been generated for you. So you can see the name, you can see the card number, the validity, the CVV, everything is being generated for you. So if you don't want this, if you don't want MasterCard, you can also go ahead and change it. You can change it to another one. Let's go with American Express. So with American Express, format is still card. Let's still go with the same dates and months. So let's generate it and see what happens. So you can see it has been automatically generated for us. So you can mostly use this as test, you can run it as test on all these platforms, all these test platforms, just for you to be able to know if they won't go ahead charging you necessarily on your main credit card. So there are other features on this platform also. All you need to do is just go ahead and explore. They have other features which most of those that are into online testing and the rest, surveys and the rest, and CPA marketing, most of the things you will need are also on this platform. So you just go ahead, go to the menu and check other things out. So at this point, I have to stop at this point. So once again, welcome. Thanks for joining us. If you're the first, if this is the first time of coming to our channel, so just go ahead and smash the subscribe button, then join our community in the description below. So thanks for watching.